Now, the Land Transport Authority has begun talks with the nature groups about the environmental impact of constructing the Cross-Island MRT line. LTA met 10 activists today and assured them that no work will start before a good understanding has been achieved.
We have met them, and they say that they will do a study to look at some possible options in terms of how the Cross-Island line can go through that area, and then they'll share with us the outcome of this study. And that, to us, will be the first step that we take to try to understand better the environmental impact of this MRT line that we are building.
Nature groups are concerned that tunnelling work will affect the largest of Singapore's 4 nature reserves, causing habitat fragmentation and soil erosion. The 1.4-kilometre Cross-Island line will pass right through the Central Catchment Nature Reserve, which is home to a rich variety of plant and animal species. The Nature Society Singapore has called for a realignment of the line, diverting it to the south of the nature reserve. But if that is done, the line could stretch to 2 kilometres in length.
Well, our position is very simple. Nature reserves are for the conservation of native flora and fauna, and they are not for the purpose of infrastructure. We want the line to go around the nature reserve to the south. At an average speed of 30 kilometres an hour, that would represent an extra 4 minutes of travel time. We don't think that's too much to ask to save our natural heritage.
LTA says it will study all options to see if this is technically feasible. The Cross-Island MRT line is slated for completion in 2030.